I'm Bronwyn, and I'm here at Family Doctors at Bellevue with Dr. Turri. And I came in here a few months ago needing hearing aids. The hearing in one ear was vastly different from the other ear. So he recommended a test to find out why they were so different. And after those tests were completed, he recommended the hearing aids that I bought. They're new technology and they're really, really great. I'm really happy. I would come here again. I would recommend that anybody come here, and I really truly am very satisfied with my experience here.